Yes, guys, what's going on? This week we've got a complete restoration of the van. It's cost me only €35. So guys, the flood's hopefully over. I'm seeing a bit more sunshine this morning. Of course, the parking is absolutely, in carnage, in chaos. I mean, I ain't sure how I'm going to move out. I did want to move today. I wanted to go get some water from the springs, so let's see what happens, man. Let's see if it dries up a bit with the sunshine. Utilising what wood I have to try and cover this gap. I've got a bit of a gap here now where I've had to move this all over a little bit. This unit as well is a kitchen top that I found in the trash, funny enough. Really good bit of wood, but it's not quite big enough. Again, it's just about an inch short at the back, so I'm gonna have to try and work out what I'm gonna do there. Cut myself a little hole here in this unit because I was having some trouble accessing my clothes and stuff. So yeah, man, just continuing on with the woodworking side. It's a little bit frustrating because I don't have the wood to get it all done. So I'm just utilising what I have, but at the same time, it's a bit like a jigsaw, jigsaw puzzle. So building somewhere to put my t-shirts is a little thing I'm going to put here in this space. Here, obviously put this new unit in here, which is going to be used for storage of food and stuff. But this will go here, more or less. All my t-shirts are now stored here in this bit. And this is like you got another shelf here that's I'm working on the move a little bit today. Going to pick up some bits from my friend's house. I've been looking for getting like wood, from somewhere. And this guy's got loads of stuff to chuck away, a lot of it wood related. So I'm going to go and have a look what he's got, take all the bits and upcycle the wood and utilise what I need. Yes, guys, what's going on up in the mountains, man? Finally made it up here. I've been a bit light on fuel, so I've not been able to really move too much. But yeah, man, I'm basically getting water on behalf of a few people today. I'm filling up my 50-litre tanks, which are now safely back in the cupboard, which I've been building. And then I've got bundles of other containers and stuff that I brought with me. So hopefully we're going to sort out the water situation, because down on the beach, you know how it is. It's not going to be the best water getting it from the tap or whatever else. Yeah, buzzing to be filling up all the tanks. This is a really beautiful spring that I found, one of many. You can't see the view that well today. It's a little bit, you can kind of see it, but there's the coast. So guys, following on from last week, today's asana is Prasarita Trikonasana. This pose is really good for improving your balance. Amongst other things, it's very beneficial. As always, we start here in Tadasana, mountain pose. Bringing the feet 3 to 4 feet apart. Point the hips forward. From here, reaching up with the left arm. Seen again here from the other side. And from here, we're twisting round, bringing the arm out and over our right foot. Option here is to put a block on the outside of your right foot, making this slightly easier. Option 1, stay here. Or to deepen the stretch, bring the right arm up. Keep your chest very open, keeping the gaze along the open palm. Slowly coming back out as we came in. Don't forget to repeat on the other side. If you'd like more information about this asana or any other asana that I've covered so far, get in touch. I found a lovely piece of wood to use for a kitchen top. Second coat on this tabletop this morning with a bit of varnish. I'm trying to get the colour of this to match this sink, which you might remember from previous restoration videos. So I've ended up extending this effectively part. I've cut this hole out here and built it slightly out to utilise this space, but also to bring the gas bottle over. Everything now fits snug in the area. Still need to fit this tap and connect the gas up, but we're getting there. Mark came and picked us up to take us for a drive.
Ford didn't make the here. It's too too stiff.
These roads on the way to Gaucin are just incredible. Yeah, it's been a month of messing around, month of construction work, including the time I did as well on the, the van to get it through the ITV. So yeah, man, next step, I'm not sure. I'm gonna head that way towards, back to Cadiz, back to Bologna. And then from there, I have no idea. I mean, to be fair, cricket season's around the corner. Summer in the UK is around the corner, so that's generally where I'm headed, I do believe. The small town of Gaucin is actually where Maya was born. I came across her when I was living in a farm in Gaucin during lockdown. So I'm finally done, guys. I'm drawing a line there because, to be fair, there's loads more wood I could use. I could just keep going. And I've been at it for so many weeks now, and I just need to call it a day. Move on, do something new, get out of here. Let me know what you think, guys, of the transformation. Let me know if you think it's better or worse. There's many videos I've done before of the van, of how it looked before, so check them out as well. All prepped inside. Sink's been connected up. This is now easy to access. Before it was the other way around, so it was more difficult to access. The tap's been refixed. Working again with the water, fresh water. Gonna have to get a new one of these, a new cooker, because only one of them works at the moment, so that's a future thing. All the wood's been done. Yeah, man. Thanks very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing this journey, transformational journey, as I've just been at it, on the mend, putting everything back together after the disaster I had at the E2 bit, so onwards and upwards.